Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving deep into an incredible device that promises to transform the way you hydrate and maintain your health. Introducing the AQUALKA Water Ionizer and Purifier machine, often hailed as the best clean water machine on the market today. This cutting-edge device isn't just your average water purifier. It offers a unique ability to produce 7 types of water, ranging from alkaline to acidic, making it a versatile solution for various needs. Whether you're looking for pure drinking water, water for cooking, or even water for skincare, this machine has you covered. Let's take a closer look at the specifications. The AQUALKA Water Ionizer has a pH range of 3 to 11, allowing you to customize the water's acidity or alkalinity according to your preferences. With 4 settings for ionized alkaline water, 1 setting for non-ionized purified water, and 2 settings for ionized acidic water, you can tailor your hydration experience like never before. One of the standout features of this ionizer is its advanced electroplate technology. It utilizes 11 large titanium plates with a platinum coating, ensuring efficient electrolysis. This means you're not only getting water that's healthy for you but also maximizing the longevity of the machine itself. With a purification method that employs alkaline and oxidation reduction potential, ORP, you can rest assured that harmful substances are being filtered out effectively. Now, let's talk about capacity. Each filter can purify up to an impressive 12,000 liters of water. That translates to a year of clean, delicious hydration for you and your family before you need to think about a replacement filter. Plus, the AQUALKA comes equipped with an internal replaceable active carbon filter. This filter efficiently removes bad tastes, odors, and chlorine, making your water taste as fresh as it should. But what really sets the AQUALKA apart is its user-friendly design. Featuring an LCD touchscreen, this machine is intuitive and easy to operate. You can select your desired water type with just a tap. And with the self-cleaning function that activates after each use, maintenance is a breeze. If the flow rate drops below 0.8 liters per minute, the machine will automatically clean itself, ensuring that your water quality remains consistently high. In terms of installation, the AQUALKA is incredibly versatile. You can place it on your kitchen countertop or even mount it on the wall, making it adaptable to any kitchen setup. With installation facilities and a user manual included, you'll be enjoying your healthy water in no time. Imagine the benefits of having this machine in your home. You can create refreshing alkaline water to boost your energy, make delicious soups and stews with purified water, or even use acidic water for cleaning around the house. It truly is a multifunctional machine that brings convenience and health benefits right to your fingertips. The AQUALKA Water Ionizer and Purifier machine is available now for approximately $519. While it may seem like an investment, the health benefits and cost savings over time, especially compared to buying bottled water, are hard to ignore. If you're looking for a solution that combines cutting-edge technology with everyday practicality, the AQUALKA Water Ionizer is an excellent choice. For more details, check the link in the description below. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on innovative products. Until next time, stay hydrated and healthy.